Hi, welcome to the Service Department. My name is Robert and I'm here to explain your complimentary vehicle health check. Your service advisor will give you a document highlighting some of the safety checks we've carried out on your vehicle. Our expertly trained technicians will identify some items in red, urgent, needing immediate attention, amber, advisory, needing attention, or green, not needing attention at this time. Here's what the document looks like. Let's start with your tyres. The condition of your tyres will impact your fuel economy, comfort, stability, and most importantly, the stopping distance of your vehicle. One of the most important factors in road safety is your tyre tread depth. The function of the treads is to disperse water and in doing so increase the friction and the grip that your tyre have on the road. This allows your car to stop quicker and in a much shorter distance in an emergency. New tyres start at 7 to 8 millimeters. The legal limit is 1.6 millimeters, but we recommend changing your tyres at 3 millimeters. And here's why. In wet conditions, tyres with 1.6 millimeters and driving at 110 kilometers per hour could take up to 135 meters to stop the car. In comparison, tyres at 3 millimeters could take 105 meters to stop the car, giving you a much greater chance to avoid an accident and keeping your loved ones safe. Another hugely important component of road safety is your braking system. Modern cars operate with a disc brake system. A caliper is located on your wheel. When you press your brake pedal, the caliper squeezes a brake pad against the disc. The resulting friction slows your vehicle down. The brake pad is one of the most important components of the braking system. It's the part directly responsible for stopping the vehicle. Brake pads wear out over time and therefore it's important to understand when to replace them. There's a number of variables that affect how often you need to replace your brake pads, but they basically boil down to the model of your car and how often or hard you apply your brakes. Our technicians will check the wear on the brake pad compared to the factory recommended thickness. This will be highlighted as a percentage of wear on the report. Brake discs will wear and eventually become too thin. For safety reasons, manufacturers specify a minimum thickness for brake discs. And when this point is reached, the discs need to be replaced. Discs will always be replaced in pairs and the pads must be renewed at the same time. Similar to the brake pads, our technicians will check the brake discs wear compared to the factory recommended standard for your brake discs. This will be shown as a percentage of wear on your vehicle's health check report. Brake fluid is hygroscopic and can absorb moisture from the atmosphere, even if the car is not in use. This additional water affects the boiling point of the fluid, which will decrease your brake's effectiveness, particularly when braking from a higher speed. For safety reasons, most manufacturers recommend that brake fluid should be replaced every 2 years, regardless of the mileage. The technician will check when the brake fluid was last changed and they will advise you if it needs to be replaced. If you have any questions in relation to the report, your service advisor will be more than happy to help. Thanks very much for watching and we look forward to seeing you on your next visit.